Just got home from doing some grocery shopping, and you can see the snow is falling. It is about 10 o'clock at night right now, and we're supposed to get up to 9 inches, 10 inches. So remember this driveway, and maybe tomorrow I'll get a clip of it after all the snow falls. So today we are cooking some pork spare ribs on the green egg. It's a pretty big difference from last night. There's all that snow on the ground now. Look at all that snow out there. Honestly, it's not as much as they predicted. We were supposed to get 9 inches of snow, but it doesn't even look like 4 to 5, maybe. All right, so today we're gonna light up the green egg. We got some pork spare ribs. We're gonna throw those on. Most likely do the 3-2-1 method. For the first 3 hours, we're gonna be smoking on the green egg and 2 hours in the foil. And after that, we're gonna unwrap them, glaze them for probably the last 45 minutes with barbecue sauce, and they should be good to go. Let's get the green egg out and get it lit up. Okay, I guess the snow's a little deeper than I thought it was. Alright, it looks like we got a pretty good fire started right in the middle. So I'm going to throw the plate setter in and get the grill grate on and a probe on the grate so we know what our temperature is. And we can slowly climb it up to 225 while we go inside and get the pork ribs ready to go. One good tip with these plate setters is sometimes the grate doesn't line up with the feet very well. So if you just turn it a little bit, it'll line up on the feet better and the grate won't fall down on one side. Let's go inside and get the pork ribs ready to go while this warms up. For now, I got the wheel opened up all the way, but as we get closer to 225, it'll probably be more so along the lines of that on the top. And on the bottom, we'll probably have it most likely somewhere right in this area here, about an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter open. But as we get closer, we'll dial that in. We're just gonna give it a little more air for now, just to get it going nice and good. All right, so today we're gonna cook some pork spare ribs. I'm gonna use yellow mustard as a binder. We're gonna use our Stubbs pork spice rub as a seasoning. And we also have some garlic salt that we're gonna use as well. On this back side, I have removed the membrane that lines the ribs. You want to make sure you get rid of that before you put your coating down, otherwise it'll be very tough after cooking. Putting the seasoning on, we're going to let it rest for an hour to soak in. We're going out to the green egg. It's up to temperature. We're gonna get these ribs on and get them going. Hopefully I don't drop these suckers. We're up to temperature here. Let's get them on. Let me get that top vent adjusted down about halfway, maybe just under half. We'll get that guy adjusted down somewhere in this area here. We'll check back in 3 hours when we'll be wrapping it in tinfoil. Alright guys, so the ribs are at the 3 hour mark and we're going to pull them off and get them wrapped into this foil. I got 2 layers of foil, heavy duty, and we're going to throw them back on for 2 more hours. And after that, we're going to pull them back off, take them out of the wrap, and throw them back on the grill with barbecue sauce for 1 more hour. Let's do this. Oh boy, those are looking good. Alright, got them wrapped up, double wrapped, and we're going to throw them right back on. 2 more hours in the wrap, and we'll be pulling it out and putting it back on the grill with no wrap at all. Alright, we'll see you guys in 2 more hours. Alright, it's been 2 hours. Let's get these off the green egg and get the barbecue sauce on them. For our sauce today, we are using Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. Gonna get them unwrapped and get some barbecue sauce on them. Ooh, look at that steam coming out. Look at the juice in there. Just perfect. And got some pull back on the ribs too. Alright, the next step is getting them back on the grill without dropping them. We'll let them smoke for about 1 more hour and let them firm up just a bit. Man, that is looking good. Alright, it's time. Let's get these ribs off the green egg. It's been a total of 6 hours. Man, they are looking good. Check these things out. Alright, let's get them off. And as always, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more updates.